हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान। अंकल के साथ जो डिस्कशन का तसलसल जारी है और मैं बहुत एक अहम सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं अंकल से कि
स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में।
कैन यू टेल मी अबाउट sports, like what do you think about our prime minister as a sportsman and the promoter of the sports? Please give me some comments.
Okay, there, you're finished with your question.
Yes.
I'll speak to you in English because many people in Pakistan do listen in English, and if our video go international, so we don't mind speaking in the language which is already very well recognized, right?
Yeah.
And that's English. Okay, no problem. First of all, by the grace of God and by the grace of Allah, who is merciful, and Pakistan Zindabad. The first thing what I would say here, Imran Khan as a prime minister, you know he's a flop, and as a sportsman, I would say he is a flop as well. Winning a tournament in the world cricket is admirable, but not to the point when you achieve a level of prime minister of a country. And when you generalize all the sports, I would ask Mr. Imran Khan, what have you done for the other sports? You have been to England back and forth all the time, playing counties. Did you ever think Pakistan is an underdeveloped country and 23 crores of people belong to this country? And the sports of this country, unfortunately, you can call it it's hockey or cricket. What about football? The most brilliant sports around the world and the most valuable sport, and with the most valuable players all around the world, and the best economics for the countries as foreign exchange. You are a sportsman and you believe that you have the knowledge of the sports. What I believe, in 3 years and a half, you have not been able to give a statement of 10 words or 20 words about football. Why would you do that, sir? You don't like football. It's understandable. But as a prime minister, you don't want to promote a sport which is called football. And you have been to England. And you know how the leagues are in England about football and what the players are making from South America, from Latin America, from USA, from Central America, from Africa, from Asia. What happened to your players? From Kalat, from Makran, from Quetta, from Peshawar, from Liari, Karachi. One of the best footballers have been produced in Pakistan 60 years back then, when you must be a kid. But when you were still a young cricketer, you know our football teams were good. My own brother was a great player, played for 20 years for First Division, Amir Farooqi, with the legends like Umar, Musa, Isa, Ghaffar, Maula Baksh, Murad Baksh, Ayub Dar, Yunus Tarzan, the top players of football. Do you have any heart for football? Prime Minister, I'm asking you this question. You better have me the answer. Do you have prejudice for football? You're not a sportsman. You have no personality to develop a sport for a country which need it as a foreign exchange and as a panoramic sport for Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. I will speak about it again because my topic is not yet finished. Tahir Farooqi, you will make me another question tomorrow. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.